Hi everyone, my name is Melek Dacı. I am a math teacher. Today I'm going to talk about Kahoot application. If you type into Google Kahoot, you may find many information. Just I will share some of them. Like even here in Wikipedia, you may find very detailed information. Kahoot is a game-based learning platform used as educational technology in schools and other educational institutions. It is learning games. With Kahoot application, you may review your students' knowledge for formative assessment or as a break from traditional classroom activities. Kahoot is relatively easy to use, contributed to increased learning, that it was entertaining and increasing the motivation for attending more lectures. It has also a positive effect on learning performance, classroom dynamics, activities, and anxiety, and the main challenges include technical problems, see questions and answers, time stress, afraid of losing. After this short explanation, I want to talk about how to open an account for Kahoot application. First of all, you need to create a Kahoot account. For this, type into Google sign in Kahoot or log in Kahoot and you will find this page, and here you should click on Kahoot teacher login. If you click on it, you will face with that page, and here in the corner you have sign up option button. If you don't have any account previously, you can click on it and you can get your account. You will create with yourself. But if you have created already, like me, you can type directly your account information, then click on login. You will get your home page. And in the home page, you will see the option of the Kahoot. There is Basic, Pro, Premium, and Premium Plus. The basic one is free, but the others, as you see here, you have to pay some amount of money. Today, I will talk from the about basic one. So if you will click on the free version, you will see your account and your name will be on the right corner side. If you did anything previously, you will see your changes here. As you see here, my Kahoot team space, but for now I don't have any team, that's why I don't have anything over there. So my Kahoot, I previously researched from the Kahoot rational numbers and I save it in my account. This is in the Kahoot application, it has already created. I didn't do anything. Just I type in into the Kahoot, I research, then I find this material, I save it, like this one. This is the material, and I just save it and I can use for my students. As you see here, the questions. There are 33 questions. And you can see here the play button and edit button. You can edit the questions, but you cannot change the name of the material. For changing the material name, you have to upgrade your Kahoot application. And if you click on the play button, the system will give you a pin of the game and you will share with your students. Students will click and enter the pin of the game in their devices and they will start to play the game. When you start to play the game, they will be able to play the game and join the quiz. Another thing, like in this, I say there's many options. This one, duplicate of the rational numbers. I just copy and paste. That's why it's written duplicate of. Even you can create with yourself, which I will talk today. If you click on the create button, you will see these options. You can use all of this as you see here, you will click and you will do, or you can click on the new Kahoot. For example, I just show you this one. Let me come to back here, Kahoot for formative assessment. And if you come to my account, Kahoot for formative assessment, I previously done it. It is 9 questions. So if you click on the create button, you will see this page, and if you click on this Kahoot for formative assessment, this template, it will come in front of you like this one. And you may change the question, like this is the first question, click on the second one, the second question will come, the third one, and from here go down and do the changes for others. This is new one I opened for you, but the previously you can even change the place of the questions, as you see here. But previously I already changed for you to show here, like the same template, this one, I previously opened, then I changed the options. Like I changed this question, the first one, and then I change also picture, and the second, third and fourth question I changed. The rest of them are same, but how I did these changes, it is very simple. Let us come back and to show you here. As you see, this is the question part, so you may choose this one and you can type your question, like what is even number? What is an even number? Then you can type your answer, or let's say which, because since this is multiple choice question, which is the following which of the following is an even number? And then you can type your question, and here as you see here you can write equation, special characters are here, you may use all like currency, math, Greek and other things. So I did already this one here. And how I change the image, you can remove this image and upload image. You can click and you can choose from your file anything what you want, like this one. Let us say what will happen. Yes, it will upload the image. As you see now, I changed the question and I changed already picture. And for this option you have to pay, because as you see here the king symbol, it means you have to pay for it. And here there is time limit, points, and there is also answer options. You can change them, but for multi-select you have to upgrade your Kahoot account again. And this one is for points. You may change with 0 point, 100 or 2000s. And you can also change the time option here. So after this, I want to talk about if you want to create your own Kahoot game. What you should do, you should click on the new Kahoot. So let us check this one. So if you will click on the new Kahoot, you will see this option. And when you see this option, like I wrote here, which of the following is an even number? Then I type the first question like this. As you see, after typing the question, you have to choose your answer. even in the previous one, which one you choose from the template, you have to choose your correct answer. But in the template, in the first question, the correct answer was B, so you can type your correct answer in B. Or you may check, like this one is not correct answer now. Now I want to make A correct answer, so you may check, no problem for that. But for new one, again, from beginning, you are choosing with yourself. And let us see. You type already all things, and let us see how to upload again image. Again, same thing I'm showing. So let us do this one just to make it more fun. Or you can use different picture. These I'm using from my computer, because if you want to use internet, it is telling you again upgrade your Kahoot application. But in free version, you are allowed to use your computer, which pictures are in your computer, so you may use them. But for internet, you have to upgrade again. That's why I previously, before starting this, I already downloaded some pictures, so you can do the same. And again, here the options of the seconds and everything, so you may check and you may change it, like 90 seconds according to hardest of the level of the questions, hardest or easiest maybe. And here you can check again the options, like here again is the points. And then this is the first question. And if you want to add more question, here is on the left side, we have add question. If you click on the add question, you will see quiz, which means multiple choice, or true false. The others also you can use, but you have to upgrade again your Kahoot, because as you see, this symbol is telling us we cannot use in the free version. So I previously choose 2 more questions, like here. Let me show. Like number 2, I choose again multiple choice. So again, the same thing. You will type your question. You can use again that equation or anything, like let's say if I want to use this one, 5, then click on this one, square is equal to which number? And then you will say here, it is 25. Yes, it's 25, so this is our correct answer. Let's say 15. Let's say 10. And let's say 7, for example. But the system already choose correct. You choose correct answer, so the system will make automatically when the students will give answer. Who gave the correct answer, this red color, it will choose automatically. And again, same thing, upload the image and select your way of the options of the answers and the points and time limit. Again, for true false question, you can ask again your question here, and then same thing you will do. True false, you will check the correct answer, which one. Like if the correct answer is false, you will choose false. Like let's say 2 is an odd number. Everyone knows this is not correct, so it is false. And after this, what you should do, as you see here on the right side up, done. So if you click on the done option, it will tell you what is your title. So let us write title, quiz 1. And then we can say continue. Here this option will come. If you want to play now, you can play. Test this Kahoot. You can test your Kahoot, is it working or not. Share with others, you may use. Then everything you can do, like here. So after sharing, play now, and then when you finish your things, you will say done. So if you finish it, let us wait, the page will come. Yes, as you see, this is my page, and quiz 1 is on the top. This one from research I duplicated. This one I choose from this last one I choose from the template, and the up one is mine, so I can rename it. But for template, if you want to rename this one, you have to upgrade your Kahoot, you have to pay, and you will be able to rename it. But for duplicate one, which belongs to another person, but you want to use it, just you copied it, so it is written automatically duplicate of that file which you take. And when you're done, as you see here, quiz 1, in the corner there is play. If you click on the play, just I want to make it in the classroom, or maybe the students will do it themselves. But I want to make it in the classroom, for example. Let us say teach. And if you choose teaching way, let us make it big little. You will see like this options, and just we can do as classic. Yeah, as you see, already pin number is here. So you can give this to your students, and students will enter in their phone or in their device. They will use this pin to enter the game. And when you enter the game, they will ask the name. Kahoot will ask your name, then you will write your name, the students will write their name, and we are in. As you see, when the students will enter, in the teacher's page, the student's name will appear. And when everyone applied or enter the pin, you will click on the start to start your quiz. So let us start. So if we start, the quiz will appear. Yes, question is coming now. Yeah, question is ready. Options are ready. So students will see only these colors. And they see on the screen, for example, in the class, you use the smartboard, and the students will see the question, and according to question, they will choose the correct answer. Like as a students, they choose correct answer, like which of the following is an even number. They choose correct answer. Let's say C. So the correct answer will come directly to students. The reply will come directly. And let's see the teacher's side. As you see, the first question is ready, and one correct answer, which means one person joined and all person gave correct answer, but there is only one. So after review in the class, if there is any problem, any person made a mistake, you can review your question, and then you can go to the next section. And in each step next, who is the first, second, third, or how many mark they got, you will be able to see, and even they can see if you are doing in the class. And then the next one, when you click, the question will appear, and the choices will come. When choice will come, students will see again the colors in their phone or in their devices. Like if they choose, let's say 10, the system will automatically mark it, as you see here again. It is incorrect now. And let's see what is happening in teachers. So correct answer is B. Sorry, it's A, let's say red color. But there's no one gave answer. So one person is joining the game and she gave a wrong answer. So if you click on the next, then again the point of the class will appear, or all of persons, and then you will click on the next. Again question, again students will give answer, and when students will give answer, as you see, teacher can see immediately when everyone gave answer. Even if the time didn't finish, the teacher will be able to see. So when you finish the attempt, at the end of the all question, when the students complete the whole question, you will see the winner of the game. So today I just want to share these things. I hope it is useful for you. If you have any question, you may ask me. Thank you so much.